Good day, I'm Engineer Ejike Ejuwa. I'm welcoming you to our online tutorial on software development. Kindly watch our tutorial.
We shall be looking at CSS selectors, targeting HTML elements. Instructor/coordinator, Engineer Ejike Ejuwa, powered by Matchmadeco Global Services. Objective: learn how to use different types of selectors. What is a selector in CSS? A selector in CSS is a pattern used to select the HTML elements you want to style. CSS selectors. Types: description, example, usage, and the HTML code. 1. Universal selector. Description: it selects all elements on the page. Usage: it applies general styles to all elements. For example, we use the asterisk as the selector, then we have colon bracket, then we have margin, colon, 0, semicolon, then we have padding, colon, 0, semicolon, and curly bracket, close. Let's practicalize it. Let's move to our HTML coding environment. Then we'll type our top type HTML open tag. Below it, we have our HTML open tag. Then below the HTML open tag, we put our head open tag. Then below the head open tag, we have our style open tag. Then we now have the universal selector, which is represented by asterisk, curly bracket open, we have margin is equals to 0, padding is equal to 0, curly bracket close. Then we now have our style close tag. Then we now have our heading close tag. Then we now move to the body. Then we have the body open tag, H1. We have heading, P, that is a paragraph. We have paragraph text. Then the body close tag. Then we now have the HTML close tag. As you can see display on the screen, this is our coding for our universal selector. Note, we are using internal styling here, so there is no need linking the CSS and the HTML environment. Please take note of this code arrangement. We shall not be explaining it in every selector, so take note of the arrangement. We'll just give you the coding and move on. Then save your work, go to the web browser and refresh it. Then you will see that the styling of the host page has been taken care of. That is, whatever that falls between this web browser, H1 heading will be applied to it, and the paragraph 2P will apply to it. Then let's move on to the second one, element selector. Description: it targets HTML elements by tag name. Usage: style or instances of a specific HTML element. For example, we have paragraph, color, blue. Then this is our HTML code for element selector. Then take note of the style P, color blue. Then the paragraph, you have this is my paragraph. Then save your work, go to the web browser and refresh it, you will see that the element P is assigned color blue. Then the next selector is class selector. Description. This targets elements with a specific class. Usage. It styles multiple elements that shares the same class. For example, we have dot box border one pizza solid black. Then the HTML code is as seen on the screen. Then take note, dot box curly bracket open border is equals to one pizza solid black curly bracket close. Then in the body section we have the def class is equals to quotation mark open box quotation mark close box. Then in between the def open and close tag, we now write this is a box. Then you close your div. We save this, go to our web browser and refresh our page. You will see that we have a box that has a border with one pixel and solid black. Then the next one is the ID selector. Description. It targets an element by its unique ID. Usage. Style a unique element. For example, we have hashtag header, background color yellow. Then this is our HTML code. Take note, H1 open tag, we have space ID is equals to quotation mark header quotation mark close. Then we have the close. We close the open tag in between the H1 open and close tag. We have site header. Then when you save this code, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see that the ID element header has the background color yellow. Alright, let's move to the next selector, group selector. Description. Targets multiple selectors with the same style. Usage. Apply the same style to several elements. For example, we have H1, H2, P, then we have open colon bracket font family area. Here, the font family area will be applied to H1, H2, and the paragraph. Then this is our HTML code. So take note of it, save your work, go to your web browser and refresh it. You will see that H1, H2, and the paragraph is having the font family area. You can also add color red. You see it will apply to H1, H2, and the paragraph 2. The next one is descendant selector. A description. It selects elements inside a specific element. Usage. Target nested elements. Example. We have dev space P color red, as you can see on the coding environment. Here, it will apply color red to a paragraph inside a dev. Let's save our work, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see that color red is applied to the paragraph inside a dev. Then we have the child selector. Description. Select direct children of an element. Usage. Styles elements that are immediate children. As you can see, the code displayed on the screen. Then you save your work, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see that item 1, 2 is apply the list type square. The next one is adjacent sibling selector. Description: select an element that is immediately after another. Usage: style siblings that come directly after another element. This is the code displayed on the screen. Then you save it, go to the web browser and refresh it. You see that color green is applied to the paragraph that is coming immediately after H1. Then the next selector is general sibling selector. Description: select all siblings after a specific element. Usage: styles multiple siblings of an element. An example is shown on the screen. This is our HTML code. Then we'll now save it, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see that the paragraph is given color orange. Then the next one is attribute selector. Description: target elements with specific attributes. Usage: styles elements based on attribute value. This is the code displayed on the screen. To save it, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see that we have border 2 pixels solid blue apply to the text. Then the next one is pseudo class selector. Description: target elements based on their state or position. Usage: style links over state first child element. For example, we have a hover code display on the screen. So take note of the coding, save your work, go to the web browser and refresh it. Then if you take your cursor to the hover me on the screen, it will change the color to red. Then the next one is pseudo element selector. Description: target parts of elements like the first letter or line. Usage: style subparts like first line, before, and after. This is the example on the screen. Save your work, go to the web browser and refresh it. You will see the paragraph first line, font weight bold. Watch the next video on styling text and color.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment for one-on-one training on software development and affiliate marketing. Or if you wish we build your website for you, kindly contact us on 080-3642-2829. We also partner with Azinonet Limited, African First Digital Contributory Scheme, where we show you how to raise capital for that business of your dream. Thank you. May God bless you all.